Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are already the part of FEM, it's me Ishita Dhiman, and guess who is back after a tiny little break? Okay, not so tiny. First of all, thank you so much for being here again, and if you're new here, hi. I hope you will stick around because we are starting something new and something super fun today. Okay, I know it's been a hot minute since my last video. I was honestly just a bit lost. I had a lot going on and I wasn't sure what I want my next video to be. You know that phase when you want to post something good, not just random stuff? Yeah, I was there. Just give me a minute. The coffee is ready. And this time I am starting with a brand new series called Trying Random Cafes. And these are not just any cafes. I am picking out the unique hidden gem types. So basically in this series, I am trying random cafes, not big chains, super fancy ones, but cute local offbeat places that people miss. I will try their food, coffee, and seeing if they are actually worth the hype or not. And I will give you guys my honest review, no filters, no fake reactions. You know how sometimes people rate the place like 4.8 and you go there, you are like, was that review written by the owner's cousin? So yeah, I will be genuine for you guys. So for the first episode, we are starting in the mountains, Himachal Pradesh. The place we are visiting today is called the Coffee Chonk Cafe. It's located in Javli. I don't know if the pronunciation is right or wrong. On the Kalka Shimla road. Now before I went there, I did a bit of research because I wanted to know what people actually think about it. So here's what I found. Online this place has 4.4 rating, which is actually pretty solid. People were actually talking about how cozy the place is and how beautiful the view is. Most importantly about their wood-fired pizzas. And you know me. The second I see wood-fired pizzas written anywhere, my brain goes like, yes, that's the one. I went through some of the photos people have posted and honestly the pizza looks chef's kiss. Like perfectly baked, golden cheese, and the crust looked just the right amount of crispy. And I was already imagining the first bite. There were also few comments saying it's a small cafe, but the vibe makes up for it. Kind of like those hidden gems you randomly find on a road trip. So yeah, my expectations were pretty high. Especially it's been a while that I had that cozy cafe in the mountains vibe. Also the fact that it's right on the highway made it even more interesting. And I was like, okay Shita, let's do it. So this will be the episode 1 and let's make it special. Alright, enough talking, let's get to the good part. So here we are, the Coffee Chonk Cafe. First of all, it's located right on the main Kalka Shimla road, so you literally can't miss it. And the moment I got there, I was already loving the vibe. The cafe has this really warm, rustic look, the kind of place that feels handmade, not too polished, and full of character. The outdoor sitting area immediately caught my attention. You can actually see the hills, the road, right from your table. It's the perfect spot if you want to sip coffee and people watch, or just stare at the mountains and pretend you were in a movie. The indoor area though was a bit tiny. Like a few tables, some cute decor, but it did feel slightly congested. Still, I love how they made use of space and it had plants, wooden furniture, and this warm yellow lighting that gives it a really inviting look. The highlight inside was this one wall covered with small handwritten notes and all written by the people who had visited this cafe. There were so many messages from random jokes to love notes to travel memories. It was actually so wholesome to read them. It felt like every person who came here left a tiny piece of themselves behind, and that made the cafe feel alive. Anyways, we settled in and started checking the menu. My plan was to try their famous farmhouse wood-fired pizza, but then the staff told us it's available only after 2 p.m. or mostly in the evening. I'm not gonna lie, but that broke my heart a little. Like, that was the main reason I came here. But anyways, we didn't want to leave without trying something, so we ordered a paneer sandwich, a mixed sauce pasta, a cappuccino. We waited around 20 to 30 minutes, which honestly wasn't too bad. During the time, I just soaked in the view. Finally, the food arrived, and at the first glance, it actually looked really good. Nicely presented, fresh, and smelled amazing. So let's start with the mixed sauce pasta. I was expecting the perfect mix of creamy and tangy flavor, but unfortunately, it missed the mark for me. It barely had any veggies except capsicum, and I love my pasta loaded with veggies. The sauce texture was a bit off, slightly spicy, and not creamy enough. For 220, I would give it a 5 out of 10. Next up, the paneer sandwich. Now, this was actually pretty good. The filling had paneer, capsicum, onions, and the bread was perfectly toasted. It wasn't overly spicy and it felt homemade in a good way. I would give this one a solid 7 out of 10. And then came the moment of truth, the cappuccino. I had high hopes, but let's just say it was more like a watered down friendship instead of a strong coffee relationship. It honestly tasted like they used milk powder instead of actual milk. The texture was thin and the coffee flavor was barely there. For 110, it just wasn't it. So, yeah, the cappuccino gets a 1 out of 10 for me. On a positive note though, the staff was really sweet and polite. Overall, I would say it's a beautiful cafe with a chill vibe, perfect for hanging out, reading, or just relaxing with a view. But food wise, it could definitely improve. So that was my full experience of the Coffee Chonk Cafe. The view amazing, the vibe cozy and warm, the staff lovely, but the food was a bit of a roller coaster. Would I go there again? Maybe only for the wood fired pizza because I want to know if it's as good as everyone says. Also, your experience might be totally different. Maybe I just went on an off day. Who knows? And if you have ever been to this cafe, comment down below. Tell me what you have ordered and how was the experience. I would love to know if I'm being too harsh or too honest. And if this video gets more than 2000 views, I promise I will go back there and try their wood fired pizza. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon because we have got a whole lot of cafes to explore in this series. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you guys in the next episode.